Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about England's city of Manchester. This is a city and metropolitan borough of Greater Manchester, England, which had a population of 552,000 at the 2021 census. It contributes to one of the largest metropolitan populations in the United Kingdom as a part of Greater Manchester, which has a population of approximately 2.92 million. It is bordered by the Cheshire Plain to the south, the Pennines to the north and east, and the neighbouring city of Salford to the west. The city borders the boroughs of Trafford, Stockport, Tameside, Oldham, Rochdale, Bury, and Salford. The history of Manchester began with the civilian settlement associated with the Roman fort, Castra, of Mamucium or Mancunium, established in about AD 79 on a sandstone bluff near the confluence of the rivers Medlock and Irwell. Throughout the Middle Ages, Manchester remained a manorial township but began to expand at an astonishing rate around the turn of the 19th century. Manchester's unplanned urbanization was brought on by a boom in textile manufacture during the Industrial Revolution and resulted in it becoming the world's first industrialist city. Historically part of Lancashire, areas of Cheshire south of the River Mersey were incorporated into Manchester in the 20th century, including Wythenshawe in 1931. Manchester achieved city status in 1853. The Manchester Ship Canal opened in 1894, creating the port of Manchester and linking the city to the Irish Sea, 36 miles, 58 kilometers, to the west. The city's fortune declined after the Second World War, owing to deindustrialization, and the IRA bombing in 1996 led to extensive investment and regeneration. Following considerable redevelopment, Manchester was the host city for the 2002 Commonwealth Games. The city is notable for its architecture, culture, musical exports, media links, scientific and engineering output, social impact, sports clubs, and transport connections. Manchester-Liverpool Road Railway Station is the world's oldest surviving intercity passenger railway station. At the University of Manchester, Ernest Rutherford first split the atom in 1917, Frederick C. Williams, Tom Kilburn and Jeff Tutil developed the world's first stored program computer in 1948, and Andrei Gaiman Konstantin Novoselov first isolated graphene in 2004. Background: The Manchester Derby is a football match between the two Premier League teams in the Greater Manchester region, Manchester United and Manchester City. They had met 150 times before this match. The first non-competitive match was played in 1881, while the first competitive match took place in 1891. Manchester United and Manchester City. They had met 150 times before this video. The first non-competitive match was played in 1881, while the first competitive match took place in 1891. The two clubs were born just 2 years apart, United in 1878 and City in 1880. Manchester has a large urban sprawl, which forms from the city centre into the other neighbouring authorities. These include the Four Heatons, Failsworth, Prestwich, Stretford, Sale, Droylsden, Old Trafford and Reddish. The city is also contiguous with Salford and its borough, but is separated from it by the River Irwell. This urban area is cut off by the M60, also known as the Manchester Outer Ring Road, which runs in a circular around the city and these areas. It joins the M62 to the northeast and the M602 to the west, as well as the East Lancashire Road and A6. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comments on this video.